Okay, today I will be showing you how to make the rocket ship, or from the rocket ship you can make a missile. I'll show you how to make it. First, you're going to need to make a square paper, which I'm doing right now. You might want to use scissors or your fingernails to crease it pretty good. Make sure the creases are sharp. You could cut it or lick it and tear it. I don't do whatever you prefer. Okay. Now that you have your square sheet of paper, see there's a diagonal line right there. Well, after that diagonal line, we're going to make an X. So take the corner of this diagonal line, take this corner, and then this corner, and then make them meet. And then put this, do that. Make sure the creases are sharp. It's kind of chip right here. It's alright. Open it up. Then I want you to flip the model over. Push down on this point, and it'll want to pop up. If it doesn't, just make it pop. Fold it down towards you. Fold it down towards. Well, I can flip it around. Just make sure it's a rectangle. Open the model up, and open the model up like this. It's gonna be like. You don't want to do that. Flip it over. Push down on the point. These want to come in. Push them down. And this, you'll recognize this from my water-based bomb tutorial. You could use, and this is to make a water-based bomb, water bomb base, whatever. And you take this flap, the corner of this flap, take it to the top, and do that. Crease it down. Good. Do it to all of the sides. Flip the model over once you've done those two. Do it to two on this side. Once you have that, lift one flap up. It becomes a pocket. I want you to put your finger down into this pocket, and then this corner will meet this corner right there. So just do that, and then crease it down. Same thing right here. Crease it down. Do the same on the remaining two sides. And know, if you're wondering if this is in fast motion, it's not in fast forward or anything. It's just how fast I can go. No, if I get 500 views, I've made 2 videos so far. If I get 500 views in total off those 3 videos, not 500 on each video, but if I do, I'll show you how to make some more. I'll show you how to make transforming Ninja Shuriken. And once you have that, I want you to take this right here. As you can see, it's actually a flap, and there's a middle line right here that you can't see it on mine, but you might be able to on yours. Just fold this edge to this, it'll line up, and then this one, it's the same path. Do it, fold it to the middle like you did with the bottom one, and do it to the rest of them. And no, it is still not a fast motion. I just barely got this YouTube account, so I don't know how to put it in fast motion. If you guys know how to, just leave a comment below and tell me how to do that. Well, once you've got it all the sides, it looks like this. And see if focus here, my camera. Okay. Now what I want you to do is those flaps you made, I want you to take that, open it up, and I want you to do this. How you can see that these want to come into the middle. These right here don't want to come into the middle. Let them come into the middle. Then crease everything down. No, I'm not going to use my scissors to crease it down right now because I actually don't need to. You're the same with all the sides, and these are going to be your legs if you're wondering what they are. And yes, I may be a kid, but I can still teach you. I've been making origami since I was 5. I'm 13. So, do the math. Okay. Once your legs can do this, they're like that. You'll see that I want you to take your model, turn it to the side, and you'll see that you can lift this up. Well, take this edge right here, and right in here, you can see that crease. You can take this edge, fold it into there. Do the same thing with all the other sides. And yes, you're gonna need to bend the leg that you made. You're gonna need to bend it. You'll just have to put a crease on the leg. See? I'm new to this, so yeah, I'm not really sure how to work this out. I'll get used to it. Do the same with all the sides. Oops. I guess I messed up on the other one. They weren't even far enough. Even the teachers sometimes make mistakes. My bad. Do that correctly. Let's check this one. Yep. Not far enough. Or nope. As you might call it. I might be over-explanatory, but it's alright. Same thing with that last one, just this. Alright, trace it out. And once you see that, you'll see that these legs, you have them right here. I want you to open the legs up, and right up here, you'll see there's a pocket, like right here. Pocket. When you open it, just push that down. Do the same thing with the other two remaining sides now. And your rocket ship is almost complete. If you want to make a missile, I'll show you how to make a missile out of this rocket ship. And then, you see this flap right here? I want you to take this and tuck it in here, into this. So, just take it, yeah, tuck it. Flip the model over. The same thing with the other end. And then, once you've done that, you still have these right here to get rid of. So, I want you to put your hand right here. Do this. Oh man. This one's still not far enough. Far enough. Okay. the same thing. Just tuck these in. Do the same thing you did with those. With the other one. You might wanna open it up like this and then tuck it in. It's alright. Any way you do it. Doesn't matter. Okay, I'm gonna turn it this way because it's easier for me. Then once you've done that, close the model and do this and it'll stand. There you go, you have your rocket ship. And if you want to learn how to make the missile, just keep continuing and I have about 4 minutes to make the last video. Okay, you see this edge? Take it and there's a center crease right here. Oh, I'm gonna fold it this way first. Center crease right here. I'll just take that edge and fold it to the center crease. Okay. Okay. It's alright if it looks weird. You can make the legs thinner. I'll show you just how to do that right now. This is the missile's head right now. And to make the legs thinner, see, this is what the missile looks like now. And just crease it down like that. And to make the legs thinner, it's almost the exact same thing. Except you take this edge and fold it to the center of that. So it's just the exact same thing. It's alright if it's not pointing how you want it to be. You can make it any way you want it to be. Just do the top right now. If you want to do the bottom, you can. I might have time to squeeze that into this tutorial. And yes, you might say that I'm getting this from RobHO629, and yes, he's my inspiration, but I learned how to make this from him, but I learned how to make the rocket ship from him, but this missile is my own invention, so yeah, it's my own invention, so nobody could say they came up with it first, because they didn't. Okay, now I actually have enough time to squeeze in the bottom of the legs in this tutorial. Just, they won't fold all the way to the center crease, like the top of the leg, but it's alright, because it doesn't really matter now, since you have an awesome missile. And you can make your own fake fire and stuff. You could take paper and then just wad it up, open this up and stick it in there. Well, I've completed the bottom of the legs, and here is a missile in a 2D/3D version. Yeah, slash is like it's 2D and 3D right now because it's in a triangular formation, or whatever you want to call it, cross plus X. But if you want to make it puff, just open this up right here. Just open it up and set it down. And then just get this. It doesn't want to stay. Oh, yeah, it's close enough. Well, there you go. You have your rocket, and you made your rocket in the middle of this, and you have made your missile. Hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to comment and rate.